All right, guys, it's me again with Nerd Cheek. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to do a real quick deep dive tutorial on Facebook stories, and this one's on how to make a Facebook story from scratch. Now, I've already done tutorials on just a deep dive on Facebook stories and how to use them for conversations, and I've done another deep dive tutorial that's slower on how to use your posts and share them to stories and work them up. This is going to be just creating a story from scratch. The first thing is if you're in your profile, go to the little house icon at the bottom and see these right here. Those are stories. So let me show you a couple of those stories and what happens here. So here's one. You can see that they put a picture and they put some tags in there and all that. You can see some funny stuff people are doing. I mean, these are all great ones. And then you can see in here, this is what some folks are doing. Oh, it's just cool. Here's another one. These are Facebook stories. So you get it. Some of these are their posts they reshared. Some of these are images they uploaded and they put text on. I mean, it's really good stuff. Okay, now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to design a story from scratch. You can click here where it says create a story, or you can click over here where it says add a story, or you can click your profile icon and click add story right there. So there's 3 places you can add a story. I'm going to go back to the beginning one and just click here in the home button, create a story. Now, inside of here, you can choose a graphic that you've got in here. So I could use this graphic and turn it into a story. And then I could go to share the story, whatever, edit. But I want to show you these functions up here. There's text, music, boomerang, mood, selfie, and poll. These are awesome. So first, let's do the text. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is a great text. Now you can tag people in it. Like I could add Lori in there, right? And a lot of times I'll do birthdays to this. You can change the background colors. And then this thing is scrollable. It's really cool. So there's done, and now I can just share the story. It's just simple text if you want to do that. I'm not going to do that now. Here's music. These are fun. So here's some music. It's really cool. Let's put another sticker. This is a sticker that has reactions. People react to it, and it sends you a message. That's fun. You can add text. So that's fun, right? And then you can also write on it. That's that one. So that's the music. I'm going to discard the music one now. Let's go back and let me show you Boomerang. Boomerang is you take a video, okay, and then you go like this. This is my boomerang, and there it is. So it's my little hand going around, and it does it over and over and over again. Now you can add text. See? So there's Boomerang. And again, on my other deep dives, I talk about all the actual stuff you can put in here. You see how this works? If you want to remove something, pull it down and throw it in the trash. It's just that easy. Interactive. See how it works? You got it? If I want to do a background, I can do slow motion. There it is, slow motion background. Isn't that funny? So you can do that, or you can do this. Look at that. You can add all kinds of stuff to it. Isn't that fun? You can tag somebody in it. I'm not going to tag anybody in it. You can add text. And again, the text is, I show y'all this on the other ones later, but there's all kinds of stuff you can see. Okay. I'm going to go out of here and show you the next thing. So that's this. That's Boomerang. Now let's go to mood. Here's mood. Look at this. You can add this in here. Isn't that fun? You can add, I'm going to go back and I'm going to add, wake up. Look at that Jiffy. I can change the style. Look at that. Isn't that fun? You can add birthdays. You can add color. Whatever you want to do, you can add it here. See, in text. It's just fun. You can create all kinds of stuff. You can write. Oops, got to put that on here. Done. Whatever you want to do. Okay, that's that. I'll discard this story. Now let's go back. That's mood. That's got all kinds of GIFs and stuff. You can do selfie. Yay! And then you can do stuff to it. Stickers. Ha ha ha. Look at that. Now if they click it, they go, boom, ha ha ha. Or whatever. You can add the GIFs. You can add emojis. All that stuff is here. Again, you can add text. And you see how it works. You can add a background. Or let's even change the background to be colorized. Look at that. That's fun. See what we're doing? All this stuff, you guys. Tag somebody in it. Same thing as usual. Okay, I'm going to get out of here. discard. And now I'm going to go into here. Poll. This is the last one. Poll. What's up? And then you can say nothing much, too much, whatever. And then they can respond to it, right? You can also add your stuff here. You can add these. You can add this, GIFs, all of this. It's just so easy, guys, to do anything you want. Text. You can write text on here. Write whatever you want. You can tag people in it. You can draw. This is what it does. There's nothing stopping you from creating amazing stuff in stories. Now, when you're done, all you have to do is click share to story. There's also effects in here you can use. But that is it, guys. That's really a deep dive into stories. And I want to encourage you, if this has been helpful to you at all, and you have enjoyed it, if it's been beneficial, and you've now learned how you want to do your stories or whatever, give me a thumbs up. Write something nice in the comments, subscribe to the channel, and then beyond all of this, please ask me if there's other tutorials I can do for you. That's how this tutorial was done. Someone asked for it. Okay? You guys have a great day. Blessings.